Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. In today's episode, we are working on the Golf R. I have the car on the lift. Pretty much, guys, I'm lifting it pretty soon here to check underneath the car to check for any leakage due to the water pump or the thermostat housing. So, as you guys know, the MQB platform has this issue, and I'm not sure exactly how well this car is holding up for me. So I'll take the chance with the lift here to actually work on the car. So anyways, guys, I hope you stay tuned. The biggest sign or the most obvious sign of a coolant issue would be, and if you are depleting with coolant in the process, guys, and if you find yourself continually replacing or filling your reservoir with coolant, and that's basically the biggest sign there, guys, that you might have an issue with your water pump. You know, you're having some leaks down there for sure. So yeah, those are the biggest sign, guys, that would entail a possible issue with your water pump and your thermostat housing, that is. So anyways, just watch out for your coolant and check it every now and then. And if you have to fill it up so often, then that means that you might have a leakage going on. The other way is that if you can smell, you know, a sweet smell like a Gatorade, they say, around this area here, basically, especially after you have driven the car, that's also one sign that possibly you have a leak going on. But first of all, guys, have to remove the belly pan here to get access to our the bottom of the engine here. Undo the screws, T20s, I believe. So there's one here, this one over here, and then two more or three more up here, basically. Pop the clip here, pop the clip here. Just basically a locking clip that's mounted there, and we should be able to get access. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Splash pan is already off. So basically, guys, we just have to shine a light around here. If you can see any crustiness, a residue of a possible leak from our water pump. Looks pretty good, guys. I'm not seeing anything here. There's too much going on here, but regardless, I'm not seeing anything major. I'm just making sure, you know, it's good to check once in a while. Given that this is such a prone issue for the same MQB platform. So yeah, I'm gonna keep looking here and see if I see anything. Well, guys, I basically shine the light up there and look for any sort of sign of crustiness and leakiness. I didn't see anything, so we're looking good there in the process. I did notice that my JB4 line here, one of the connections wasn't secured, so I basically zip tied it there just to make sure that we are not dangling around. So yeah, I see a little rustiness up here, but nothing really major, guys. Up there's I didn't see anything that really got the flashlight, of course, but yeah, looking good. Looks like we are pretty good underneath here, pretty solid. No leaks. I'm currently debating if I am going to change this up a little bit, guys. It's regarding my rear diffuser here. If you guys remembered or seen the series of videos on the Barry Backer products that I've installed on the Golf R, the rear diffuser is one of them. And basically here, guys, in the process, I was able to get 4 sets of different fins for the rear diffuser. This is the FF4, I believe. And I actually like the FF4 to begin with. As you guys can see, I like the subtleness of it, and I didn't want it to angle too much. But anyways, guys, so what I was thinking of doing really, guys, is that here's the different fins that came with the product. And the first one here is the FF, as you guys can see, it's FF1. It angles down a little bit. It protrudes out up top, and then it goes down. And the FF2 is kind of straight down. And I've seen a lot of people having this type of format where it just basically slants down this way. That's not too bad. I know trying to get a bit of voting here going on. A lot of people actually voted for this one as well. So the FF3, this is how it looks like basically, guys. It's almost similar to the one I have right now. It's just that it just comes out a little bit more in an angle this way versus it just comes down like so and down that way. So anyways, guys, yeah, give me your opinion on this, guys. Right now I'm not too sure on which one to use for the Golf R, and I would like to get your opinion in that regard. Well, I have to end the video here, guys, which is great to be able to actually work on the Golf R a little bit, and that there's no major issue there, as you guys can see. So anyways, guys, as always, as I like to say it, keep on wrenching and never stop on doing that. And at the same time, put your safety first in mind, guys. Anyways, peace out.